Apna Ghar Shalimar, promoted by Trihan Home Developers Private Limited, comes up as an ideal choice when you are scouting for a suitable house within your budget. Situated in the lap of Aravali's on Alwar, Tijara Road, Apna Ghar Shalimar is an ultra-modern housing project with a spectrum of splendid facilities to today's cosmopolitan customers within their financial resources. Alwar is a promising constituent town of the National Capital Region called the Gateway of Rajasthan. It is an ideal place for a modern but peaceful living. Trihan Home Developers Private Limited, better known as the Budget Home People, for their commitment in providing viable housing solutions to the common man, was founded in 1989 with a vision to make significant contributions towards the dynamic process of nation building.
हमारा पहला प्रोजेक्ट अपना घर शालीमार के नाम से सक्सेसफुल रहा। आम पब्लिक को हमने जो सस्ते मकान दिए उसकी सफलता को देखते हुए अलवर में हम जो नया प्रोजेक्ट ला रहे हैं 4000 फ्लैट का, वो जल्दी से जल्दी ही लॉन्च कर रहे हैं।
अपना घर शालीमार अलवर सक्सेस रीजन इज आवर गेटेड कम्युनिटी एंड मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट टू मेंटेन द बिल्डिंग्स एंड द people living and to maintain all the things, garbage collections, disposal of garbage, 24-hour water supply is there. That's the main reason for success of Apna Ghar Shalimar Alwar.
Since its inception in April 2007, Apna Ghar Shalimar has been thriving with more and more people opting to live and invest here. The residential complex is an example in modern living and the project offers a variety of products. The 2 to 3 BHK apartments with low-rise, ground +4 and high-rise S+9, built as earthquake-resistant RCC frame structure.
This is a commercial complex of our building. This entire building is a glazed building and it will be one of the best building of this complex.
The promise of 761 flats has already been delivered. The housing complex has all the trappings of a cosmopolitan life, with people belonging to different regions and communities living here.
हम तो दिन की शुरुआत ही मंदिर से करते हैं और मंदिर के बाद ही हम सारा अपना आगे का काम जो भी होता है वो करते हैं। शहर के अंदर जैसे पानी की बड़ी समस्या थी, पर यहाँ पानी की कोई समस्या नहीं, यहाँ पर कोई लाइट की समस्या नहीं। हम बाहर चले जाते हैं एक महीना, तो यहाँ पीछे से हमें कोई ऐसा डर नहीं है कि हमारे यहाँ मकान के अंदर सेफ्टी के लिहाज से यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी है, तो हमें कोई भय में या डर नहीं रहता कि हमारा मकान सूना है।
यहाँ आने के बाद सब तरह से खुले विचारों के लोग भी मुझे मिले हैं, खुले विचार व्यक्त करने का मौका भी मुझे मिला है और वातावरण जलवायु यहाँ का बहुत अच्छा है। मेरा पोता जिसका नाम अंश है वो सामने पार्क में खेल रहा है, इस समय भी खेल रहा है और जब मैं यहाँ बैठ के चाय पीता हूँ उसको मैं जब देखता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है कि मेरा पोता यहाँ आकर के अकेलापन महसूस नहीं करता है, सब बच्चों के साथ खेलने में व्यस्त रहता है और बहुत खुशी महसूस करता है।
मैं बहुत बहुत ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देता हूँ जो मैं आज अपना घर शालीमार में रह रहा हूँ।
It is situated in an open area which is really liked by all. It is so neat and clean.
मैं डॉक्टर सुनीता यादव हूँ। यहाँ जनवरी में मैंने शिफ्ट किया है शालीमार में। जैसा इसका नाम है अपना घर शालीमार, यहाँ आके ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि आप कहीं बाहर हैं। सामने बच्चे खेलते हैं, पार्क है, ग्रीनरी है एंड देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ सेफ्टी हियर। सो आई एम फीलिंग वेरी सिक्योर एंड वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन दिस एनवायरनमेंट।
Apna Ghar Shalimar, we feel positive energy. Due to this positive energy, we feel growth in our personal life and professional life also.
यहाँ पे हम अपने परिवार से दूर एक बड़ी फैमिली के मेंबर्स की तरह रह रहे हैं, चाहे वो मोहम्मदन है, सिख है, हिंदू है या कोई भी रिलीजियस को मानने वाला है। सभी लोग सभी फेस्टिवल्स को बहुत ही अच्छे से मिलजुल के मनाते हैं।
Situated amidst beautiful settings, Apna Ghar Shalimar has a lot of wide green areas, a pollution-free atmosphere and the fresh air in abundant supply. Though located inside the National Capital Region, it is away from the nerve-wracking hustle and bustle of the metropolitan city. Apna Ghar Shalimar is a gated housing complex with silent but systematic security cover. The cemented roads are wide and there are designated parking lots for each apartment. The salient features also include street lights with underground cables, piped water and underground sewage system, shopping center, large open space for social gatherings. Residents visit the beautiful temple built on the complex, seeking the blessings of their favorite deities. The first phase of Apna Ghar Shalimar is fully occupied with approximately 400 families residing and 200 more families likely to join soon. There are exclusive parks for children equipped with swings and slopes. Hospitals, schools and other institutions are closely located. School transport is extended into the complex. As the location is on the main road, there is a good transport facility. The residents at Apna Ghar Shalimar are a contented lot. They say they have made the best decision in life by opting to live here. Prompted by this overwhelming response, the company is now expanding the project to a township named as the New Alwar, comprising flats in towers and commercial area for shops and offices, multiplexes, club with a swimming pool, hotel, school, 3 nursing homes and a hospital. The desperate hunt for an ideal living space in the thickly populated National Capital Region ultimately stops at Hillview Garden, Bhiwadi. Coming to this elegant residency, the house hunter finds the home just as the family has imagined, the one they have aspired for. Hillview Garden, a haven for a peaceful living, is promoted by Trihan Home Developers, better known as Budget Home People, because of their commitment to cosmopolitan customers to provide dream homes at affordable prices.
The people who have bought a flat from us in this complex 2 years back are having a very good appreciation right now. Yes, it is economical comparative to other people because we are not having a big margins. We are delivering at the right cost.
Our motto is to provide the houses to the people who are working, who are service class, working with the corporates, working with the companies.
In this area, we have got the metro that is coming from Alwar to Neemrana, Bhiwadi and back to Manesar. KMP Express, that is Kundli, Manesar, Palwal. That is about 15 kilometers from here. That will revolutionize the connectivity of this place.
The company's history goes back to 1989 when Mr. Harsh Trihan, its dynamic CMD, took the first step in the construction business with a bold and broad vision to do his might for the common man in the country.
At Trihan Home Developers, we are delivering the budget homes and we have been delivering the houses to almost 25,000 people in Gurgaon, Faridabad, Bhiwadi and now Alwar. We have completed our 2 projects before time, that is Hillview Garden and Apna Ghar Shalimar, and we have delivered our projects as per the promises of the company.
Trihan Home Developers Private Limited believes in delivering the promises made. A core team of architects and engineers with relevant experience and expertise help in building the dreams of thousands of customers across the nation. Bhiwadi is an important town with an exceptional potential for growth. Lying south of Gurgaon, it is a modern urban area, yet far from the maddening chaos of the big, ruthless city. Many shopping malls and brands like Big Bazaar and Haldiram's are nearby to cater to every household need. Hillview Garden, with a Vastu-compliant layout, consists of several towers of apartments. Every apartment has adequate cross-ventilation and ideal natural light. Fittings and accessories in the kitchen and bathrooms are top of the line. Modern high-speed lifts are provided for ease of the residents. The ambience of the aesthetically built residential complex generates a lot of positive energy which rubs on to each person living inside it. Hillview Garden offers world-class facilities to the residents. There is a shopping center where essential household and other items are available. Residents can avail the large open space for social gatherings. Devout residents can worship at the divinely built temple. The exclusive children's area is equipped with swings and slopes. If one is keen on maintaining a balanced physique, there is a swimming pool, gymnasium, and playing courts. An exclusive club with indoor recreation facilities is another hub of entertainment and bonhomie. Hillview Garden has a boundary wall surrounding it, and the 24/7 security cover is very systematic and efficient. The wide cemented roads and designated parking lots with parking for each flat is another salient feature. There is a 24-hour power backup for the complex. School buses come to the complex to pick and drop the children. Hillview Garden has drawn residents from faraway places. People have come from different parts of the country and settled down here. They endorse that life here has bestowed upon them the kind of peace, joy and comforts which they never experienced before.
मैं हरियाणा जींद से यहाँ आया हूँ। मेरे बच्चे जो है वो धारूहेड़ा में सर्विस करते हैं। मुझे लगभग 3 साल हो गए हैं और यहाँ बहुत अच्छा वातावरण है।
At Hillview Garden, you will find good budget houses with the modern facilities, and it is good for young crowd to invest. They can have a good house at a very young age, with very good facilities and modern amenities. It is away from the home, but like home. So at Hillview Garden, you can get your dream house come true.
It's a very, spacious place for morning and evening walk. My daughter is also nearby to my place. She is in Gurgaon. So she used to come in every Sunday.
हिलव्यू गार्डन में हमारे सपने साकार हुए हैं। हमें एक कम बजट में एक अच्छा घर मिला है। आज हमारे बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं।
वाओ, हिलव्यू गार्डन।
मैं त्रेहान में करीब 1.5 साल से रह रही हूँ। यहाँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ग्रीनरी है। सबसे बड़ा यहाँ पे अच्छा लगता है मंदिर है। मंदिर में आए दिन यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम होते रहते हैं और मंदिर में बहुत ही अच्छा जैसे अपनापन सा लगता है। और यहाँ पे भी सारे जितने प्लेटियर हैं बहुत अच्छे।
काफ़ी टाइम से मैं यहाँ त्रेहान में रह रही हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें आके और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है हमें।